Make a great choice today with the 2017 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, audio, internet radio, AHA, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.